top that off with a vision project of reopening the coast road from Alligator Pond TJ back to Milk River Lothan and opening the Manchester coast as a hub for community and ecotourism. Creating investment opportunities and jobs for our people. So comrades, on September 3rd, you have a clear choice. On the one hand is the PNP with a clear vision for Jamaica, where justice reigns and the education system leaves no child behind, where quality health care is available and accessible, and medication and supplies will be at Mandeville Regional Hospital and the clinics. You have the opportunity. You have the opportunity, like Floyd and Lothan have been telling you, that those 700,000 Jamaicans who have been called squatters will be given the dignity of owning their own land and their own title, not out of charity, but correcting the injustices and inequities of history.